see. Science is in everything, just believe. The sun in the sky, the stars at night. Gravity keeps us on the ground just right. Plants grow tall, reaching for the sun. Photosynthesis is how it's done. Mix a little water, air, and light. Science makes the world so bright. Science is everywhere, it's so cool. In the sky, in the sea, even at school. Learning how the world works step by step. Come on, let's explore. Are you ready yet? Oh, magnets stick to the fridge, oh wow. Opposites attract, let me show you how. The earth spins round, it takes a day. That's why we have night and playtime in the day. Bubbles that float, rainbows that shine. Science is magic, but it's real all the time. From tiny atoms to galaxies so far, you're a scientist, no matter where you are. Science is everywhere, it's so cool. In the sky, in the sea, even at school. Learning how the world works step by step. Come on, let's explore. Are you ready yet? Mixing colors, making slime, experimenting all the time. Rockets fly up, birds take wing. Science helps us do anything. Dinosaurs walked here long ago. We dig their fossils, and now we know electricity makes your lights turn on. Science is why your favorite tunes play along. From the food we eat to the air we breathe, science is the magic you can't always see. Ask big questions, find out why. Science takes you up so high. Science is everywhere,